Hi, this is Wilna, and I just want to show you a quick overview of all the products that I'm using in this little workshop. First of all, you can see my butcher's tray, which I use as a palette, and I use acrylic paint. So once I'm done, I just soak it in water and wipe it away. But this is kind of an art, little art project in itself, hey? Then I have my acrylic ink. Deep violet is the color that I use the most in this workshop, or I think it's the only one that I'm using. And then my cadmium yellow, the titanium white, cadmium orange, quinacridone, crimson, turquoise deep, and deep violet. There you can see some of my albums. Over here is the jelly plate with the rollers, and then this is the little needlepoint tool that I use quite a bit in this workshop. These little rollers are from my scrapbooking days, so I'm not sure where we are going to get those, probably in a scrapbook store somewhere in the world. And then I love the Pebeo spray paint. I have them in all these colors, and you can see the nozzles are off of them because they are soaking. A little gesso, we use gesso a little, and then the WD-40 is actually to clean the nozzles with. So that's just something that I use as a tool to keep my nozzles clean. I talk about that in the videos. I just want to show you, here's two albums that I actually packaged up already. They have owners that is coming to get them, and then there's some hardware that I added to them. I talk about that in the class as well. And this one looks like a weird paper clip, but it's actually a spot that you can hook a pen on. So it's kind of cool for a journal. So you can see I don't use a ton of product. Well, if altogether it is a ton, but this is a very simple approach to mixed media. I'm not using things like molding paste and gel and things like that, but I think it's going to be a fun one. Oh, and of course the epoxy. Let me just grab the epoxy for you. This is the epoxy that we use, and it's the tabletop resin, and it has two bottles, A and B, and that's the one that I just bought off Amazon. It's about $39 for this whole box, and it's non-toxic, so it's great. Well, if I forget something, shoot me a message and I will link them in my Amazon storefronts for you. And thank you for tuning in. Bye.